If you got too much rhubarb, put it to good use. Let's make some juice. For this batch, I'm using 1.5 kilos of rhubarb, 1.5 liters of water, and 500 grams of sugar. That gives about 2 liters of concentrated rhubarb juice. Rhubarb is best picked from spring to late June. If left too long, the stalks turn tough and bitter. For a later harvest, you should pick the entire plant before midsummer. That way, new stalks can grow back by July or August. The red part of the stalk has the best flavor, so I trimmed off most of the green. Then I chopped everything into pieces and added them to a pot. Once the pot is full of this beautiful red-green plant, it's time to add the water and bring it to a boil. Let it simmer until the rhubarb breaks down into soft strands like this. Carefully strain the rhubarb juice through a fine sieve or cloth to separate the smooth liquid from the pulp and fibers. Rhubarb is not just tasty, it has a low energy and fat content, and it's high in fiber, which is great for your digestive health. I washed the pot and poured the strained juice back in. Adding the sugar and bringing it to a boil is the final step in the process. Let it boil until the sugar has dissolved completely. You can keep the juice in the fridge for about a week or freeze it to ice cubes to enjoy later. I like to blend the juice with sparkling water, about 1/4 juice and 3/4 fizzy water. I hope you enjoy this refreshing drink and see you next time!